Do you like this Buster Sword cursor? Or this one? 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 So if you like that Buster Sword cursor, watch this video.
Get ready.
So here I'm making now my own Buster Sword cursor. It took me a lot of time on making this Buster Sword. So I'm changing the color of the handle so that the handle will become visible, and I'm added some round edge on the handle. And this is the other Buster Sword that I made. So hopefully you like it. So if you want to have this Buster Sword cursor, I will link it in the description box down below, so you can download it for free. So if you want to enable the cursor, just search cursor in the window search and click on pointers, then browse. Look for your downloaded cursor. And click on apply. And then OK. And there you go. Your Buster Sword cursor is enabled. So here are the different Buster Sword cursor that you can find in the download link in the description down below. You cannot find this Buster Sword anywhere, only in this YouTube channel, my YouTube channel. I'm giving it for free, so if you like that, if you like my own Buster Sword cursor, please do like this video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing for more do-it-yourself tutorials just like this one, key mapping tutorials, reviews, and some other content. So again, that's all, and see you in my next video. I'm sorry for my voice, it's because of the weather.
Get ready.